In Loch Fyne, obviously we get in fresh fish, we fillet it and we touch all our fish, we hand check it. Donald Russell is very much the same. They're a quality craft butcher. Everything that we get from them is hand cut, so it really matches how we do the fish, how they do their butcher meat. So we've been using Donald Russell for over 5 years now. What separates them from other butcher meats is actually the quality of the meat. The quality of the meat really fundamentally matches the quality of the fish that we have. Because of the quality is so good, the cooking process is really simple. So the different cuts of meat, really simple to cook. What we look for in a fillet steak is obviously quality, and with Donald Russell we're guaranteed that. The sirloin that we use, we really usually look for the kind of marbling of how the steak looks. This sells really well, it's on our main menu. And then we have the ribeye. In the ribeye, as you can see, it's got really nice fat through it and lovely marbling. Again, that's on our main menu, and really it's a toss-up with the customers whether they have the ribeye or whether they have the sirloin. And then we have a flat iron steak. Our flat iron steak we use on our set menu. The reason we do that is we're trying to introduce a lot more customers into the quality of meat that we have. Today what we're going to do is we're going to cook the flat iron steak. We'll go through the stages with that. Usually the flat iron steak, the first thing we always do is we make sure we bring it out of the fridge in plenty of time and get it to room temperature. When the steaks are at room temperature, then what we do is we oil it and season it before we cook it. So when it comes to cooking the steak, we cook it for 6 minutes. We cook it for 3 minutes on each side. Then what we do is we let it rest for 3 minutes before slicing and serving. So what I prepared today is the Donald Russell flat iron steak, and that is served with Scottish langoustines, which is going on a special board today.